If your games or apps are crashing, lagging, or telling you there isn't enough VRAM, this quick Windows trick will help boost your dedicated video memory. Subscribe and let's start. Click the search icon and type Registry Editor, then open it and click Yes. Now, follow this path carefully. HKI Local Machine, then Software. Here you need to find your graphics brand folder. It will be Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Open that folder, right-click the folder, click New, then Key. Name the new key, GMM, press Enter. Now click the GMM folder. Right-click empty space, then New. Choose DWORD 32-bit. Value. Rename it to Dedicated Segment Size. Double-click it. Now enter this value based on your RAM. Here is all the RAM and their values. I am type 4096 based on my RAM. Now search for Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right, click your graphics card update driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. When it finishes, restart your PC. After the restart, Windows will allocate more VRAM for your system, and many games and apps will run smoother. Subscribe and like for more videos.